your girl Lacey back at it again with another video. Good morning. We is about to get ready to go out. I said good morning, I mean good afternoon. It is like 2 something. It's like, no, alright y'all, I'm about to go take a shower. So how's everyone day? Basically just gonna be hanging out. So that's what I'm getting ready for. It is at 5. So yeah. So I'm just getting ready. My birthday is Monday. So I'm obviously missing my shoes. But what up, y'all? My face looks puffy and terrible. Sorry. I barely get any sleep. Sleeping is the worst right now. I get like 2 hours sleep. The most is like 4. But I'm literally just sitting on my bed and waiting for time to go by to go to this event tonight. And I'm like literally just staring outside and, you know, just thinking about life and whatnot. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Nothing interesting. So see you guys later on tonight. But this is what it is. Let it go out. I feel good. My hair getting long, y'all. Yes. So y'all, this is my new favorite ice cream. Ice cream is delicioso. I'm about to, you know.
What's this?
You're gonna be up there.
Huh?
You're gonna be on my YouTube. That's my.
Hello. Where's the camera? Oh.
So we is here. Say hi to YouTube.
We're not in the building. Nah, don't put that.
Y'all see them trying to build something in here?
Hey, Anthony.
Yeah, one of these are broken.
Hey.
Y'all did it.
Oh, more? The last one? I think this is the broken leg.
Bella don't know what he's doing, y'all.
Why are you recording this? No, push. That's probably why I never wanted to do a photo shop. So you know it's not about painting.
You can see the fire thing. You're going on YouTube.
I put the fire. Aquí ve. What?
I'm not a
Get out.
Vamos a ponernos todos de pie y los que quieran acercarse un poquito al fuego pueden hacerlo porque están muy fríos.
Es que ya me fui con él, yo le lavo de corazón. Jesús está pasando por aquí, Jesús está saliendo, no sé de ti. Yo vine a adorarle para recibir el poder del cielo, para recibir el poder del cielo. Y yo no sé de ti, yo vine a adorarle, yo no sé de ti, yo vine a adorarle para recibir el poder del cielo, para recibir el poder del cielo. Está bajando el poder, está bajando el poder del cielo. Él vino a mi vida en un día muy especial, cambió mi corazón, me mostró un camino mejor y esa es la razón por la que digo que vine a adorar a Dios. Él vino a mi vida en un día muy especial, por la que digo que vine a adorar a Dios. Vine a adorar a Dios. Y vine a adorar a Dios. Recibe toda la honra, precioso Hijo de Dios. Quiero levantar a ti mis manos, maravilloso Jesús, milagroso Señor. Llena este lugar de tu presencia, de tu poder, a los que estamos aquí. Creo en ti, Jesús, en lo que harás en mí. Creo en ti, Jesús, de lo que harás en mí, en mí, y en mí. Recibe toda la gloria. precioso Hijo de Dios, y recibe toda la gloria, recibe toda la honra, precioso Hijo de Dios, Hijo de Dios, Hijo de Dios, Hijo de
A mí me van a perdonar, pero ya tienen que empezar a sacar esos ídolos.
It was strong.